Guide video for ZFIDS Part 1 ZFIDS Installation. Notice before installation. ZFIDS is available in all the versions of Win XP, Win 7, Win 8 or Win 10 operating system except the simplified version, Home version. The screen resolution should be 1080 × 768 and above. Make sure that all the firewall and antivirus software are closed before the installation. Then, do software installation according to the wizard, step by step. Part 2 ZFIDS Operation. Step 1. Connect device to PC. First of all, connect the device to PC according to the above figure, and you must make sure you know the IP address of RF900 device. Factory default IP. Step 2. Change IP address of PC. Step 3. Change IP of device. Enable Telnet client. Change IP of device. Log on the device by Telnet. Username admin, password admin. Show system information. Set the new IP address for the device. Step 4. Parameter configuration. Open ZFIDS software. Select Connection Config. Choose the expected device type. Input the correct IP address of device. Choose the working mode, DM, underground, GW, wire netting. Each RF900 has 2 zones. Please configure it one by one. Click Link button. The indication will be green if the connection is successful. If you want to change the Apply mode of device, click Option, Apply mode. Now we had changed the Apply mode of Zone 1 to Underground mode. Let's go back to the wire netting mode. Click Link button. Click Load the recommend config. Choose one application according to the actual project. The parameters that match the application will be automatically loaded. Click Config button. The responding parameters will be downloaded to the device. Switch to the raw data view. Tap on the wire netting consistently. On the screen, we can see the maximum amplitude of raw data is not reached to 160. Adjust G2, then adjust G1 if necessary, to make the maximum amplitude of waveform on the screen reaching to about 160. If the max amplitude is larger than 180, decrease G2, then decrease G1 if necessary. Now the max amplitude reached to about 160. Ask one person to keep tapping the wire netting consistently. Meanwhile, observe the PKPK for short-term value on the right side of the screen. The PKPK for short-term equal to VPP, which should be larger than 100 and less than 200. Now it is still larger. Wait until this value is changed. This may need 1 or 2 minutes. OK, now we can see it changed to be 144, which is in range of 100 and 200. Tips: what is the ideal result of the waveform? The answer is, both of the following should be satisfied. 1. The max amplitude peak value should be in range of 160 to 180. 2. VPP should be in range of 100 to 200. This is OK. This is not OK. Click View Amplitude Data. Keep tapping the wire net consistently. Meanwhile, observe the amplitude waveform and find the max amplitude. Set the TEI absolute value of max amplitude divide 2 or 3. In this case, we set the TEI as 50. Next, let's see EC. EC means event count. An intrusion may only be alerted if the number of events is greater than the EC. Switch back to the raw data. According to the tips at the bottom right corner, set the PLT as the recommend value. As this case is the metal wire netting application, it should be set as 10. At last, check the AEG. Then set zone 2 in the same way.